We are Edusoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
Hi, welcome to this video. Today we will discuss about how to import an image into Revit model. Using this tool, you can import images to a project to use as background images or as visual aids needed during the creation of a model. Next, I go to demonstrate it. Go to Insert tab in Import panel. You can see Image option. Click on the tool. From the Open dialog box, select the image file you want to import. And place in the viewport where you want. You can change the length and width of the image like this. Or enter the values in the property box. Near to Image tool, you can see Manage Images option. Just click on it. In the Open dialog box, you can see all the images you are imported. Select on the image. At the bottom you can see delete, reload from, place instance, reload options are active. Delete is used to delete the image from the project. Reload from option is used to reload the path of the file. Reload is used to reload the image. Place instance option is used to generate copy of the selected image. Thanks for watching this video.